Is it time to buy or sell Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we will explore Tonix Pharmaceuticals in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since January 22, 2025, our system has identified Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.30. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have seen an impressive gain of 34.20% since we first categorized Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.28% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 57% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from just over 0.5% to about 166%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about -6% over the coming year, with possible returns between -96% and 367%. This equates to a price range of approximately 1 cent to $2 after a year. Our latest daily update for Tonix Pharmaceuticals includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Tonix Pharmaceuticals Stock Price on Friday, moving between 0.395 and 0.449. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price gained 14.16% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 31st of January 2025, rising from 0.375 to 0.428. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 13.67%, reaching a low of 0.395 and a high of 0.449. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 82.17% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 10 million shares, with a total of 70 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $30,004,000. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $2.64, while the lowest price was $0.101. Currently, the price stands 83.78%, or $2.21, below the 52-week high and 95.54%, or $9.17, below the all-time high reached on the 29th of November, 2018, when the price peaked at $9.60. Tonix Pharmaceuticals, trading under the symbol TNXP, has recently captured considerable interest from investors, particularly as the company navigates critical phases in its clinical development. The Food and Drug Administration has recently acknowledged the new drug application for Tonix's TNX-102SL for fibromyalgia, marking a significant milestone. With a Prescription Drug User Fee Act goal date of August 15, 2025, investors are eagerly anticipating the FDA's decision, which could serve as a catalyst for stock performance. This PDUFA goal date indicates a crucial timeline that could drive short-term volatility in TNXP stock as investors speculate on the likelihood of approval. A positive decision would likely enhance the stock's appeal, potentially attracting new investors and analysts who view Tonix as a growth opportunity in the biopharma sector. In the long term, Tonix's focus on developing treatments for unmet medical needs, especially in pain management and central nervous system disorders, positions it favorably in a growing market. With therapies that aim to provide alternatives to traditional narcotics, TNXP's potential success could reflect broader trends in the healthcare industry as demand for innovative treatments rises. If Tonix can maintain its momentum and successfully commercialize its products, it could establish a robust market presence, further influencing its stock valuation over time. As Tonix Pharmaceuticals moves forward, All eyes will be on regulatory decisions and clinical advancements that could ultimately define the company's trajectory in the competitive biotech landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned TNXP a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, Noble Capital Markets assigned TNXP an outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Noble Capital also assigned TNXP an outperform rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of June, 2022, Noble Financial assigned TNXP a buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of May, 2022, Craig-Hallum assigned TNXP a hold rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as a buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at 402 cents and 337 cents. A dip below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. On the last trading day, volume decreased even as prices rose, which creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals were also recorded, which could impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Friday, December 20th, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 30%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 168 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is in fact losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on March 31st, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tonix Pharmaceuticals is at 430 cents. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tonix Pharmaceuticals encounters its first support level at 403 cents. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tonix Pharmaceuticals from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 23rd of May, 2024, when Treco James conducted an insider purchase of 104,621 shares of stock option. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.406, reflecting a decline of 5.14%. This stock experiences extremely high daily fluctuations, contributing to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 26 days ago. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of February, we expect Tonix Pharmaceuticals to open lower by 0.04 of a cent, starting at a price of 424 $1,000. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.